Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share an interesting one that we've got in the workshop today. Today we've got this Holden Trax in the workshop. It's coming for its routine servicing that the customer's mentioned to it. It's a 2020 1.4 turbo petrol wagon with the B14 NET motor in it. She's coming for a normal routine service, but she's saying she's got a heads-up display warning 94, so it's coming up with a code 94 on the heads-up. We've had this situation before, so I thought we'd share it with you, and it's a warning that says the car has been switched off when it wasn't in park. So at some stage she's left it in drive and switched the vehicle off, and that will then log that code 94 on that heads-up display. Then we just need to clear that, obviously, get it back into park, then switch the car off again, clear the code. That'll make sure that that doesn't come back up again and we can get it going. So it's only a minor code, just inferencing that the car was switched off at some stage when it was in drive and not in park. So again, one of those things you can be caught with. We do have a repair solution on the website with exactly this case on there. So again, if you get caught and you're looking for that sort of information, just go to the website, tap.net.au. Log in if you're a member and go looking for that. Use Tina to let her know what your problem car is and what your issues are. Let her find that particular repair solution for you, and you'll be able to get out of it hopefully a lot easier than trying to work it all out yourself. So if you are a member, make sure you're utilising it. If you're not a member and you'd like to get access to all these repair solutions, good scope scan data, Tina to help researching problem vehicles, etc. Go to tap.net.au and you can click on the free 7-day trial and get free 7 days worth of TAP, and hopefully you find the benefit in it and join up with the many other thousands and thousands of technicians all over Australia and New Zealand. See you next time.